Hey lovelies! Today I'm making a super quick video of how to make a navigation bar inline. This was kind of confusing for me when I tried to do this making a website. So I had to do a little Googling and I found out something that works. Of course, using only HTML and CSS because we want to understand the basics of CSS and HTML before we learn like Flexbox and Bootstrap and all that stuff. So I'll show you guys how I got an inline navigation bar. So the first thing I did was just I made some navigation links. I have a header here, I have a nav here, I have a UL, of course, an unordered list, and then I have my links. And I don't have any styles yet. Um, and we just have, yeah, our links here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my body and I'm just going to do background color yellow. I like to just color code everything first because it helps me visualize what's really going on, and maybe I'll run into something along the way and I'll show you guys how this is useful. It's useful for me. Maybe it's useful for you. So let's change the body to yellow. So let's see. This is what I did to figure out how to make our navigation inline. What did I type in? I typed in how to center, here it is, a navigation, CSS. So I just followed these rules and I got it. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. It says make your div container 100% width. So that's talking about the navigation, because that's the div that's holding our UL, correct? Yes. So let's take the nav. Of course, let's make a background color. Let's make it purple. Yeah, purple's fine. So let's look at it. Purple, great. And let's make that width 100% like it says here. 100%. And then it also says set the text align to center. Let's see what that does. Great, now we have our links in the middle, so that's good. Let's change the font color to white. Actually, that might not even do anything because we have to change the links to white. But let's just do that anyway. It's not going to do anything. Oh, wow. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's not going to do anything. But okay, let's move on. It changed the bullet points to white, so cool. Next thing it says, in your UL, so let's go ahead and select our UL. Let's set the text align to center. That's not really going to do anything. Let's do position relative and display to inline block. That's not going to do anything either. It should bring our bullet points over at least. Let's see. I guess that's when we do the, oh, here we go, you guys. I forgot that part. So this should bring over our bullet points, even though we're going to get rid of them anyway. So as you can see, we have everything centered, but we still have to have these in line. So what we're going to do is take our LI, our list items, and we're going to float them to the left, okay? Oh my gosh, great, we have that much. So next thing we're going to do, we have to get rid of the bullet points. So let's take our list style, change that to none. Simple, simple. Okay, and of course we don't want that underline. I mean, unless you want those, but I don't. So let's do text decoration. Let's do none. Oh my gosh, perfect, guys. And I forgot to set the background colors. And I'll show you guys why this is important. Let's change this background color to, what's a nice color? Green? Green. And then let's take our LI and let's change that background color to blue. Okay, this is why it's important as a beginner, I'd say, to color code things, because I wouldn't have seen this. That's kind of throwing off our navigation. It's not in the center. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take my UL. I'm going to change the padding to 0, and that should fix it, I hope. Yes, okay. And of course, we're going to want some margin. And I'm going to put 1em around everything. And 1em is 16 pixels. So this em, when you're using ems for margin, which I would use instead of pixels because it's going to change according to the font size of the element. So what we're going to do is, yeah, so that's going to be 16 pixels. Yeah, I lost my point. But anyways, yeah, we want to use ems instead of pixels. Perfect, you guys. So, I mean, that's great. Cool. I mean, if you want to get rid of the yellow, you would have to go to the body and set margin 0, padding 0. Perfect. And then we have a centered navigation. That's literally all, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you want to like this video, like. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining how to do this with Flexbox. If you want to use that, it kind of makes it easier. So yeah, that's all, guys. Bye.